Welcome back to Ransom, guys. So this is a short video update regarding our upcoming series on bug bounty hunting, which will be available at our YouTube channel at free of cost. So uh, basically, in this series, we will be covering all the vulnerabilities which are present in Bugcrowd VRT, and we will be uploading a dedicated video for each and every bug. So the videos won't be very long and boring, but yet I promise the videos will be impactful. So the basically we launched this series because all the courses available online or on YouTube about bug bounty hunting mostly focuses on automation and tools which help you hunt bugs. But if you ask me, automation is good, but up to a certain level. Uh, when you opt this as a career or a passion, you have to move towards manual testing, which is not very complicated as most of the beginners think. We will assist you in hunting your first bugs, maybe, or even if you are an intermediate, we will be happy to assist you with more advanced bugs or how to hunt or how to get endpoints on targets, which will help you to find this kind of bugs. And to assist the beginners, we will be also attaching sample reports in the description box. So do not forget to check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We are excited about this course and this series. Uh, I think we will get a lot of support from you guys, and so please share the channel if you like it, like our content, and you can also contact us on Instagram, or you can just comment your thoughts on the channel or what you want in the upcoming days. We'll be responding to you happily. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I will see you in this Bug Bounty series. So yeah, signing off for now. Bye bye.